welcome back to my channel. And first of all, Eid Mubarak to everyone in advance. And today in this video I'm going to create this makeup look, and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple look है. I bet everyone can recreate this look. And in this Eid we are going to stay at home, and I request you to stay at home. Don't invite guests and don't go out also, but still we can get ready and do little bit makeup and take some good pictures. So yeah, आज के वीडियो में मैं ये मेकअप करने वाली हूँ, which is super duper easy. So without any further ado, let's just dive into the video.
So here I am with my bare face, and I'm already done with my skincare and applying my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm in the shade 230 Natural Buff, and I love to apply my foundation in this way. I think इस तरह से foundation better way में blend होता है. And now I'm using my PAC beauty sponge and just dabbing my foundation. You can see I'm not swiping, I'm just dabbing, and it's a damp beauty blender, by the way. And this shade is my perfect match. Once I blend everything, you will see it will totally matches with my skin color, and I absolutely love how lightweight and matte this foundation is. For concealer, these days I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, and I'm using this technique. I use concealer on these particular areas and then blend with the help of my beauty blender. And with this technique, I feel my face looks more lifted and chiseled. Do give it a try. And honestly speaking, in this video I totally forgot to set my face after using concealer. Generally I use my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set my face after concealing, but in this video I totally forgot. But you can totally go ahead and use whatever powder or compact you like. And now I'm just brushing my eyebrows using a spoolie, and for a change today I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof eyebrow pencil. It's a very good eyebrow pencil. And then again I am just using a spoolie to brush it out, and then you can see the final look. For my eyes, first I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and I'm using the bronzer in place of eyeshadow, and I'm just giving depth to my eyes. I'm applying it only on my crease. You can totally use another eyeshadow, a warm brown tone eyeshadow. And then I'm taking another brown eyeshadow. This is little darker than the last one. Last one is little more orangish. And yeah, I'm using on top of my eyelid. And next I'm using the star of the show, which is my Swiss Beauty metallic liquid eyeshadow. It's a very good product under budget. As you can see, you can totally work with it. You can build the eyeshadow as you want. And now I'm using my Maybelline highlighter in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm using on corners of my eyes and also on my brow bones. And next I'm quickly just curling my lashes, and I'm using my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara on both my top and lower lashes. And then I'm using the same Benefit Hoola bronzer and just contouring my nose slightly, and I'll use the same bronzer on my cheeks also to give a shadow. Now as usual I'm using my highlighter with the help of my finger. I really love to apply highlighter like this. I feel it looks very subtle and natural. I don't like overpowering highlighter look. And now for the blush, I'm using my forever favorite Lakme 925 blush in the shade Coral Punch. It's a very beautiful warm tone peach color blush, and I absolutely love it and highly recommend to everyone. And now I'm going to apply my lashes, and I'm using my Nykaa lashes in variant Just Enough Drama. And for lipstick, today I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris lipstick in shade I Choose, and I love this lipstick so much. And after this, you can see that's my final look.
So yeah, that's the final look, and I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or learned something new. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this makeup look? Did you like it or not? If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will get notified. And I will see you super soon in my next one. Till then, bye, take care.